So after 45 minutes, this is what our cake look like. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a test. And as you can see, it's coming out clean. That was good, I heard it. Ooh, she's a beauty. Today we're making an everyday pound cake. This recipe yields enough for 2 medium-sized pound cakes, which is great for sharing. Here are the ingredients. You always want to start with room temperature ingredients. I'm adding the butter and shorten it into my mixing bowl. And this will mix for about 1 minute just to incorporate them together. Gradually add the sugar and mix until it's light and fluffy, about 5 minutes. Scrape the bowl down and continue mixing. And this is how your mixture should look. Now you want to add your eggs one at a time, beating well after each. And as always, remember to crack your eggs in a separate bowl because you don't want to risk messing up your whole product for one bad egg. Guys, this simple and versatile classic cake can be enjoyed every day. Whether it's for a snack, paired with a cup of coffee, which is my favorite way to enjoy it, or you can fancy it up by drizzling your favorite sauce for a delightful dessert. Just make it your own. Using a whisk, you want to go ahead and break up any lumps in the flour. Add your baking powder and your salt and whisk those together. Add the flour to your wet mixture in thirds. And mix lightly, just until the flour disappears. You do not want to overmix your cake. I'm going to go ahead and add my flavoring since this is a liquid. So vanilla extract, I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of that. And here I just have some butter vanilla that I'm going to add to that. And I'm just going to put about a teaspoon of that in there. Okay. Add your last third of a cup. Okay guys, you're gonna take your bundt pan, and I'm gonna make two cakes. So I'm gonna have one for myself and I'm gonna share with someone. You just wanna make sure you grease your pan good. We're going to equally distribute our cake batter into the two of these. Just a little tap tap, just clean it up a bit. And we're going to get these into a 325 degrees oven. It's already preheated. And we're going to bake these for about, since I'm baking it in a small pan, instead of the normal hour and 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to check it at 45 minutes. Okay? Because this is a smaller pan and it cooks faster. Make sure I set my timer. See you in 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is what our cake look like. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a test. And as you can see, it's coming out clean. You're gonna test in more than one spot. Make sure it's right. This is our timer going off after 45 minutes. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna take them out and let them cool. Okay guys, I have allowed my cakes to rest for about 5 minutes. I don't normally let mine stay in the pan too long. All right, I have a piece of parchment paper here and a wire rack. Whoops. And I'm going to flip these out so that they can cool. That was good, I heard it. Ooh, she's a beauty. Oh wow, isn't she gorgeous? All right. And this is our second one. Beautiful. Let me give you a close-up. Look at that. And these are our everyday pound cakes. Okay guys, I've already have my countertop cake ready. And the one that I'm gonna give away, I'm just gonna take it and put it on a cake board. I have just a regular cake board here. take some plastic wrap. We're gonna wrap it up. And that one is ready for its new home. Now let's go ahead and taste the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and cut us a slice. Take a look at that. Look at that crumb. Just like Grandma used to make. I'm just gonna put a little Cool Whip on top of mine. Just on this side here. Let's go in for a taste. No, ooh, yes. So light, so good. This is a winner. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take the time to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to keep life simple. And we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.